We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Business. Okay, everyone, we are marking up AUDCAD. Take a look at what the market is doing. So on the monthly time frame, you're going to identify price action. Price action is the last active candle, which is right here. We have to identify what's going on with that. We can clearly see that price action leg is going down. Okay, we see that price is at a area of highs here. We have an area of lows here, and we have a midpoint right here, and we look like we are maybe in an uptrend. Okay. Also, let's read the market to see what's going on. So the market came out of a double bottom. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double bottom, W. The market retest. We got that first push up once. Market came back down. So now we have to wait to see what the market is going to do. Is the market going to shoot back up for that second time, or is it going to come down back to lower lows? Also, we have a double top here at the top. When we see a double top, it's a reversal of, not a reversal, it's an M pattern. So the market will look something like this. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. And if you draw a line right through it, the market can't break. Okay, so it's attempted, tried it, and break fully, tried it again, came back down, back to area of support, and it may try it again for a third time or not. So it may be trying to do a head and shoulders pattern. It may just come out and just do a W. We don't know yet, so it's a waiting game. Play our screen, and we are going to head down a time frame. So let's read the market again. So we're going to look at the last active candle, see what's going on. That's price action. So it's sitting right here. We can see the last about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles is bearish. So the market's leg is going down after the market retested somewhere here after the double top of the M. And we do know once we see an M pattern, the double top happens. So here we go. Price action's here. We have an area of higher highs. We have an area of lower lows, and price action looks like it's at a midpoint, which would be somewhere here. So we don't know if price is going to come down further to touch out midpoint, to go back up or not. But we do know we did come out of double top in an earlier time frame. So here we go. This will be the first leg. This will be the second leg. This will be the third leg. We have a fourth leg, and that's the double top, the M. After the M, you'll see a retest happen, and the market pushed down once. And the market just paused right here, so we don't know what's going on. So we're going to clear our screen once again. We're going to head down the time frame again. Let's see if we can see what's going on in the market. So we did get that double top that we identified earlier, and then I also see the market push down twice. So here we go. So first thing we're going to look for is price action. Price action, last active candle here. Okay, now let's read the market, see what's going on. So we do know we came out of a double top. We can clearly see the double top right here. So I'm going to draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Double top M. What comes after the M? The retest. Market consolidated here. Came back up for that retest. Wasn't able to shoot up further. Market came back down. So this will be the top. So this will be coming down. This is 1, 2, and it may be a third push to the bottom again. So it may come to this area somewhere here, catch momentum and come back up. If not, the market's going to drop right back down. And we do know from previous time frames that we are at a midpoint. So we are at a major area of support. So we got to see the market's going to break this and go down further, or it's going to get respected and go back up. Let's zoom out a little bit. We can see that we still are in that uptrend. So market could be still respecting that area. Market came up, came back down, came up, came back down, may come up again, come back down. That's the pattern. So to identify where the market at, what's going on. So like I said before, we had price action here. This will be the midpoint. We have an area of higher highs, and we have an area of lows right here. And if we go to also have in the background the RSI indicator, we're going to pull that up right now. We can read the indicator to see what's going on. I don't think it's here. It's not. Okay, so we have the RSI indicator up. So let's read the RSI indicator with price action. See what's going on in the market. So we did see that M pattern here, which is still here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. The market was at a high highs here, and we can clearly see the market is at a high highs here. Okay, it came back after that double top, it came back to that retest, which is right here. And then we can clearly see that the market did drop to come back up for that retest, same area right here. Then the market dropped down further for once, and it's like on the second or third time right now. So we got to figure out what's going on. And if we look at the RSI indicator, we can see that the indicator may be trying to form a double bottom to come out of this area here and go back to higher highs. If not, the market can just drop down further. Right now, it looks like the market is still going to drop down further. But as, let me erase this a little bit. So what I see here is that these wicks are getting very pointy in this area here. It's getting real wicky. So most of the time, the market get wicky like this, the market may be doing some type of reversal eventually. If it don't happen here, it can happen somewhere down here. The market look like it's maybe reversing to go up. We can also see that with our RSI indicator, because the RSI indicator shows that it is in the oversold position and it's time to take buys. So to take it up to the previous areas of high highs. Okay. So let's say if we did see that reversal and market goes up, let's see how far it's going to go. So let's say we caught entry right out here. So we'll be able to take it to our next SR line, which would be higher highs. But on a time frame, we could tighten up our SR line, our stop loss. This is an amazing trade, everyone. We're looking about if the market does respect our SR line, this area here of the support, it can create momentum and push it back up for about 703 pips to the top, 74 pips to the bottom, long term. It's an amazing trade, everyone. Also, please study the Forex pattern cheat sheets. It helps out with the market to understand what pattern is going to happen. For example, we have in front of us a incline wedge pattern. So what the market is doing here, the market is at a low, came at the higher highs. And as you see at the higher highs area, the resistance of this point here, this this point here, this point here, and this point here, is not breaking this resistance line. Okay, it's having trouble. But on the support area, we can see that the support is getting higher each and every time. Okay, so what may happen is the market may have a chance to come back here to retest one more time, create that momentum, a strong momentum, push all the way out. If not, this is the final time for the market to try to break out this red resistance area line here. And if it doesn't, the market can drop down. Also inside of it, we do have two double bottoms. So let's read. So double bottom, it will be first leg. It'll be the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice. Market may come down, retest, and push up for a third time. If the market pushes up for a third time, it may break. If it don't, and the market's coming right back down. And that'll give you an idea on how to take trades in the market and what the market's going to do with the Forex patterns. Also, breakout retest strategy, very important. So when the market is at an area of lower lows, it's trying to break that resistance area. It'll touch the resistance area a few times. Once it breaks the resistance line, it'll break out, come back and retest. And this is the area of the retest that we can clearly see here. This is the area we'll look for entry. There'll be some type of confirmation from the Forex pattern cheat sheet. Some type of pattern will show itself in this area, and we'll take it up to the next level. Okay? Each and every market you can read, each and every line you can read. So I'm gonna start here with the bottom. The market came from a low somewhere, pushed up to a top. We can see a double top. I'm gonna draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. That's an M. Market pushed down. Market started over. Here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. That's a W. After W, what happens? The market retests. We got that retest right here. Market pushed up once. Market pushed up twice. Market will push up maybe 3 up to 4 times, and then the market can lose momentum, come back down, create some momentum in an area here, and then shoot back up. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. AUD, CAD.